Okay guys, so this is my breakfast for the 8th of January. I am cycling back to Seminyak today and I just got a small watermelon because I'm going to eat papaya after this, and this will be nice to rehydrate my system. I have been drinking some water, but I somehow get like this complete thirst satiation from eating watermelon. So yes, and I'm just trying to make a video. Hey, I've arrived in my new accommodation. It's kind of on the border of Legion and Seminyak and Kuta. It's all a bit strange. This area is just weird. So it's very dark in this room, even though the sun is shining. And yeah, it took me like 2.5 hours because I ended up cycling around for like 15 minutes trying to find this place, even though I'd cycled right past it. I was looking at where Google Maps said, and Google Maps is so wrong. So yes, I'm a little bit sweaty. Gonna have a shower and see if I can find a traditional market or just somewhere to pick up some fruit. I know where I can go, but I don't know if I want to go there or find somewhere closer. And then I'm having dinner at Divine Earth. Yeah, I really fancy more mangoes, just some juicy mangoes, because on the way there was a hole in the bag that the mangoes were in and one of them fell off into the road. I didn't see it. I was just like, I'm sure I had more mangoes. Oh well, never mind. I've got this big avocado to eat as well. I've dented it and it's gone a bit black. So I guess it means it's ready to eat. And oops, I've just stained the bed. But shh, don't tell. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm back in Seminyak now and I'm eating at Divine Earth Cafe. Tried to find Earth Cafe, but I couldn't find it. I got lost, I don't know where it is. I found a place where there's a market, so I'm going to try there tomorrow morning. They had durian, but they were asking for like a lot more than I wanted to pay. So, I don't know. See if I can barter tomorrow morning. But check out my salad. Oh my gosh. It just smells so fresh. It looks amazing. Moments on the bike where I thought I might go over, but it wasn't too bad. So I've just had dinner at Divine Earth, which was good apart from the dressing. It was awful. It was a tahini dressing. First time I had it, it was so delicious, but it just tasted like it'd been sat there for about 4 months. It just was horrible, like it'd gone rancid. So I got an orange, it was carrot dressing instead, which was carrot, ginger and dill, and that was so nice, really refreshing. I'm going to get that again tomorrow. My favourite thing about the salad is you get a side, you can choose like a bread or something else. So I chose the almond bread, which I had last time. Love it, perfect. And now I'm just on the beach eating tomatoes, as you do. Don't waste any opportunities when I'm at the beach or when I'm near the beach. Need to kind of balance out these 3 weeks in Ubud with no beach, no swimming pool. So getting in as much beach time as possible.